So in our next lesson, which is designing the dashboard environment of the application, every system has a dashboard. After user login, the next page the user sees can be called dashboard or home page or landing page, whatever the name might call, is all the same. The difference is the functionality and the appearance. Okay. After user login, the next page can be called home page or dashboard. So in this lesson, we are going to be showing you how to design this kind of beautiful dashboard. Okay. You will also learn how to achieve this kind of professional and advanced UI design without you even writing much code. Yeah, it's possible. So I'm going to teaching you how to achieve that. So you don't need to be a professional code writer or what have you. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you how to achieve something like this. As you can see on my screen, I will teach you the secret in building this kind of beautiful dashboard. So that we're going to teach you in this lesson, how to design a beautiful UI dashboard like this. And this dashboard, you can see, is a dynamic application. Right here, you can see the user that login, the username will be showing there. You can see the username will show right there. And every information you see here, they are all dynamic. Okay, we are going to show you how to do something like that. So in this class, I will be teaching you how you can easily get user recent transaction, user recent details from the database and display it in the dashboard, just as you can see on this app. You can see right here is showing payment, the date, everything is showing right here. You can see it on my screen. Recent transaction. So on top of it, you are seeing online services. This online service is simply the name of the company or the name of the app. You can choose to put any name that you like, you wish. Okay, that's fine. Then beside it, you see this a bell notification right there with a dot on top. Yeah, we're going to show you how to create something like this. So this simply means when the user have a new message, so it's going to be showing this this red dot on that bell. It might be a number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, something of that nature. It depends how you want to implement it. But we are going to teach you how to do something like that in your application in this lesson. Okay, everything with database communication and querying will be exposed to you in this free step-by-step training guide. Because as you can see on my screen, this recent details that you are seeing here is dynamic and it comes directly from the database. Like I explained earlier in my previous lesson, if you're not watching, you can go back and watch it. And I said a database need to be queried. So to query a database, you have to communicate with the database and get information and send it back. Okay, so this recent transaction you are seeing here is a query that took place. So you go to the database, communicate with the database, and got some information and bring it and come and display it right here. So I'm going to teach you how to do all of this, okay, in this lesson.